Hey everybody, what's up? It's Kiki and welcome back for another video. If you want all the information on this hair, keep watching. This wig is brought to you today from Wiggins hair. I have reviewed for them before, so this time I decided to get a curly unit with the little highlights in it. This is how the wig came packaged. They always send some good goodies in the box for you. And this is the wig. It is a lace front wig, which means it's full lace all the way across. It did not come bleached, and the lace is transparent, I believe. I did go in and bleach my knots and shampoo and condition the hair, and this is how the hair looks after air drying. So I'm just going to take this old wig off because it is time for a new style. Today I'm using just a brown wig cap, and I'm going to try the wig on to see how it fits. And this wig is heavy. I'm not sure of the density of the wig, but it definitely will be in the description box. But the fit of it is perfect. So I'm just going to take some of this even lace adhesive spray and apply it to my hairline, and then use a blow dryer to get it tacky. And then apply the wig on top of it and blow dry that as well. And then I'm going to take an elastic band and just tie it down so that it can dry in place. And like I said, the hair is super full, super dense, super packed. It is some big fluffy hair. On the right side it was cut kind of high, but on the left side it was layered perfectly. So that was a slight issue, but nothing too bad. So while I'm waiting for my spray to dry, I'm just going to take my hot comb and press everything down, make sure my hair is flat, and just prep my hair for styling. So after about 10 minutes with the elastic band, I took that off, and then I'm just going to create a couple little edges, a couple little baby hairs. I'm not going to do too much because, like I said, this hair is really big, and I'm not really going to be showing my edges like that. So my new technique has been to use edge control instead of a hard spray, and this is working actually well for me. This is the Edge Booster by Kiss, I believe. Like I said, I believe the lace is transparent, so it is a little light on me, but I'm just going to take my foundation brush and go over the lace. So I'm just going to style it and bring it off my face because, like I keep saying, this hair is really full and very big. And at this point, you can add products to your hair if you like, but I like the natural air dried look of curly hair. And I'm just going to take some foaming wrap lotion and put that on the top of my hair just to flatten it a little bit more, and go over it with a hot comb. And that is pretty much it. Take a look at this luxurious, full, curly, gorgeous, long hair. And this is after I got changed. I'm feeling myself a little bit more, finished my makeup. Yeah, so make sure you guys go check out Wiggins. I'll have all the information in the description box. I love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic. cleansing my soul of addiction for now.